All right, tyrosine. Okay, first of all, I heard that some people should not take tyrosine. Probably people with like bipolar or I can't remember off the top of my head. Anyone like on SSRIs or something like that, because this is a catecholamine builder. So tyrosine metabolizes from, I'm going to get this wrong. I know phenylalanine goes into there somewhere. Anyways, it gets turned into, at first, dopamine and then adrenaline. So a couple times I took this and I was just like all shaky and like, okay, what's going on here? Like something was going to happen. It wasn't like, it was similar to a panic attack, but without the fear. It's just like, definitely if you're going to take this, take it as a pre-workout because you're going to need that workout to calm you back down again. L Tyrosine. I take it when I came off, let's say that. When I came off of it, I was less motivated, not zero, but I didn't have that oomph that I wanted to like, okay, let's go, get out the door, let's get going. I took tyrosine and I think it was sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda, and whoa, I was ready to go. I was walking like I was 19 again or something. Anyways, I do a lot of walking, so that doesn't sound like much, but after 3 hours of walking, you'll feel it. Basically, if you can't, it increases dopamine, increases adrenaline, you know, if you need to get up and go. But it's one of those things where if you get on it and then you come off, you're going to be kind of low for a couple days. Not low, but you just don't have motivation as much. There's N-acetyltyrosine and there's tyrosine. Evidently, there's no difference between the two, so supplement how you want. Like I said, if you over-supplement, you're going to get like kind of jittery. All right, L Tyrosine is an amino acid that's used as a precursor for the synthesis of catecholamines, dopamine, and norepinephrine. D, A, N, and E are depleted under stressful conditions. So again, if you're stressed out too, you can use this to build it back up again, and which can compromise cognitive function. So if you're like burnt out, basically. L Tyrosine supplementation can help alleviate acute stress-induced cognitive decline by restoring catecholamine levels in the brain. So, I can't recommend that you take it in the afternoon or evening because you get kind of spazzy. I think I found out that's one of the reasons I took like Coke Zero or anything with phenylalanine in it, because that just gets you to going. And then we put the caffeine with it. I mean, who wouldn't feel ready to go? Anyways, it does start with dopamine and then it gets transferred into adrenaline. So it's perfect for a pre-workout because it gets you like goal-based, like I really want to go do that. That's fun. And then when you get there, it turns into adrenaline and then you're like, let's go. Or if you're like really super tired and you need to get up and go. Again, I don't know how long it would last in your body and the effects. So it definitely helps with thinking because once your adrenaline kicks in, you start focusing better. That's about it. If you just want to try it by itself, just pick up a Coke Zero and you'll get, I suppose, half the effect. It's like 50-50 caffeine, 50-50 phenylalanine for me. So there it is. By the way, tyrosine got the name from cheese. Talk to you guys next time.